I am Paramesh Banerjee, Technical Director, Earth Observatory of Singapore, Nanyang Technological University. So I overlook a big geophysical network in different countries for scientific studies. My objective of coming here is myself being a scientist for last 17, 18 years and now a career transition to management and administration. So I wanted to develop my skill in management, which we never do actually. So this gave me very good opportunity to get some professional exposure, and the course has been very useful to me. So now actually last night I became a member of PMI, and I will go for PMP certification course and maybe further ahead in line. That particular course, today's course, has been very useful. It's much better than other courses I attended. It has benefited me in a number of ways. It was very clearly, nicely presented, very systematic, very structured, and the environment was excellent. And everybody was interacting very nicely. The instructor was very friendly, open, and encouraging. I think I will encourage some of my colleagues to come here and join more in such courses who do this type of work, so that even if you are not a program manager, it helps to know how the projects are managed in a professional way.
My name is Travis.
Thank you very much.
I work as Director Cost and Project Accounting, which includes cost accounting as well as the project controls function for the Swiver Group. And basically, I came for this training because I interact on a day-to-day basis with a lot of project managers as well as various levels of project personnel. So to understand them better as well as to learn the process of or rather learn the formula of PMI way of doing things. Why did I select Knowledge Hut? I selected Knowledge Hut because I had heard of the good work Knowledge Hut had been doing in areas like in the Middle East, and I had heard the name before I arrived in Singapore. I always wanted to attend a course with them, and here I am, and I got a chance of doing that. And overall impression of the event, it was very interactive. I liked the presenter. It was very friendly. Some of the examples were very driving home sort of examples, which made the understanding easier. And then yes, I intend going for the PMI certification. What did I like most about the event? Yes, I think I've already virtually said that. And yes, I certainly recommend Knowledge Hut to a few other people whom I happen to meet. As a place where they would come, they would like to consider coming and training not only in PMI, in the various other courses you offer.